What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from Self-Made Profit. And if you're looking to start getting paid extra money on your own time, guys, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to go over 4 different websites that allow you to get paid pretty well, okay? And just basically doing things that you do online anyways, all right? So we're going to go ahead and go on the site there and take a look at them. Before I do that, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. And also like the video and comment below if you have any questions, okay? First website, guys, is called Point Club Surveys. All right, now with Point Club Surveys, it's pretty simple. What you're going to be doing is taking surveys. You're going to be, just giving your opinion on certain things like shows, that kind of stuff. And then once you have given your opinion, you're going to start earning points towards your account. And those points, you can go ahead and redeem them for cash, okay? You can also redeem them for gift cards also, and a lot of different things also. But this is a pretty good company, guys. When you come on the website here, you can also click here to see how everything works, and it's gonna basically break it down for you how everything works, okay? And these are the FAQs, so you can read them and get a better understanding of how the site works, all right? But yes, guys, it's Point Club Surveys. You want to go on Google and you can search it up. Once you're ready to get started, you'll go to the main screen here, and then you can fill out the form here. That way you'll get started, okay? And it's pretty simple to sign up also. You can do it through Facebook also. You do also get a sign up bonus of $5 once you have registered. The next website is called My Points. All right, I personally like this website because it's a survey website also. You give your opinions, you earn rewards, and those rewards you can redeem them for cash or gift cards. Okay, so this is a pretty good one here. They've been around for a while now, and a lot of people have been getting paid from them. All right, so you can definitely go on the website here, sign up, and then once you've signed up, you can go ahead and start receiving surveys. You'll get surveys, and then once you take those surveys, you'll earn points, and then you can redeem them for gift cards or cash back. Okay. All right, so the next site is called Shop at Home. Now, with Shop at Home is kind of the same thing as the survey sites, but this is more on the shopping level. Okay, so you're going to be getting paid to shop at home. Okay, so you usually go to Walmart to go shopping, but you can do it online, and then you'll get cash back. All right, so those cash back is, once it comes to you pretty much got paid, to be honest, because you're saving money. Okay, you're saving money with Home Depot, Macy's, Amazon, a lot of different places that I usually shop at. I usually shop from Amazon, so I save a lot of money through shopping through this app here. All right, so you can definitely come here, sign up also for this, and get started. You do receive a $10 bonus once you sign up for this one also. So it's a pretty good company, guys. All right, so like I said, you can go on Google, search up Shop at Home, and that should bring up this website here. That way you can get started. All right, so the next site I have here is called Swagbucks. And with Swagbucks, they've been around for a while also. Okay, so with Swagbucks, you do receive a $10 bonus for signing up with them also. Also, it's pretty much the same, guys. You're taking surveys, you're shopping online, you get to watch entertaining videos. Also search the web, and then you start receiving points just because of it. Okay, and those points you get to redeem them in a Walmart gift card, Amazon gift card, or PayPal. I usually choose PayPal because I like cash. So you can go ahead and redeem them through PayPal and get paid, okay? As you can see, they've been paying a lot to all their members so far. And like I said, this company been around for a while. Down here it says 2009. I believe it was around that time when I first seen this company around. So they've been around for a pretty good amount of time, and they've been paying out pretty well to all of their people that jump on this platform there, okay? All right, so you can definitely come here. You want to go ahead and click that sign up button. There's one up top and there's one down here also. You can click down here, and that'll get you signed up with the company. Then you can start earning money with them. Okay, so these are 4 sites here that allows you to get paid from home. 4 websites you can definitely visit, sign up. You do receive bonuses just for signing up with them, so you start getting paid right up front, and then you can start taking surveys, watching videos. You can start doing the regular things you do online anyways. You do go on Facebook, you do give your thoughts on and opinions on certain things online. So you can do this on the websites and actually make some money for it. All right. If you guys like this video, please make sure you like it, comment below. This is Raphael again, making sure you guys become self-made. Stay blessed.